It's nice to be here at IBC at the EBU booth, and we're presenting the Digital Media Factory. Well, we've been talking about IP for ages, but actually we see a lot of deployments right now, and the industry is catching up. With the industry, I mean the IT industry. The IT industry is talking about containers, about clouds, and we're catching up. And by this time we see at IBC a few vendors which are working with containers, and this is not something new. This is something that we as a broadcast industry need to evolve to as well. What does it bring for us? It brings flexibility. It would bring down the complexity of spinning up your media facility, and this is where we need to go. Now, why is this important and why are we talking about this at the EBU booth? Because we see a lot of vendors out there and they're exactly working in this space, but each having their own proprietary implementation. This means for you as a customer, you will be dealing with maybe a stack of compute for brand A and a stack of compute for brand B. If we don't join our forces today as an industry, it will be scattered all over the place. So let's join forces and think about the DMF, and let's create a joint force to make it happen. Maybe let's dive into the technology, and I brought my colleague Peter Brightwell from BBC for this.
Thank you. So we've mentioned containers. They're at the heart of the dynamic media facility approach. And we've got this concept of media functions that we can compose media workflows. Each function is placed in a container, and these are then orchestrated using a tool such as Kubernetes. So there's plenty to investigate, and we are working with industry partners to put together some pathfinder implementations. We're starting a activity in the media infrastructure and cyber security group. There's a white paper out, and we hope to see you soon in some of our activities.